Now this is my next video of the chapters 9, like more about matter. Okay, so today I'll explain the melting, freezing, condensations, evaporations and different conditions of the matter. Okay, so melting. What is melting? What is freezing? Now melting is a temperature. Now melting is nothing but a temperature. Suppose I am taking a block of ice. Okay, ice. Now I start to give heat, and if I heat ice, then what? You will see at some temperatures the ice will change into water. So this the temperature or at which temperature the ice or the matter starts to melt. That means melts means from solid to, it changes from solid to liquid. This temperature is called, this process is called melting, and the temperature is called melting point. Okay, and the process by which solid state of matter changes into liquid state is called the melting. Now what is freezing? Just opposite, the process at which that solid, this means ice, water, this water just changes to liquid, solid ice, then this is called freezing. The process, the change from liquid to solid is called the freezing. So common example, why I am telling always taking the common water, because this is very common example and this one easily you can find at your home. If I give some other example, if I say the iron melting, copper melting, so it is not possible for you to show that how iron melt, how copper melt. So which is very easy and which you are easily you can see, can do the experiment at home. That's why I am giving the very common example. So what? Water, everybody you are very common to know. So water, if you keep into the freezer, you will get the ice, and this change. So the change from liquid to solid is called freezing, and the change from solid to liquid is called melting. Okay, now coming evaporations. Now perhaps you have seen that you can do this one. Nowadays the weather is very dry, so if in a plate you just keep some water and you keep this water on the in the balcony or in the on the terrace. Then after 1 week you will see, though you have given full plate of water, so that after that you will see, after 1 week you will see the very less water is just remaining at the bottom of the plate. But what happened if nobody destroyed the water, nobody used the water? So where gone this rest of the water? Because this rest of the water, since we are getting the sunshine is having the heat, and this heat make the upper surface of water to make into vapor, water vapor. That means the liquid form changing into vapor form. So the change from liquid state into vapor form or gaseous form is called evaporations. Okay, so that liquid state to the gaseous state, the change is called evaporations. Okay, and it is easily you can see this example by using water in a plate and keep it on the balcony. Now coming condensations. So condensations, already I told that if I now as I told that when your mama will boil water to make tea, then you will see the steam. Okay, now if you put up a dry plate, then you will see the drop by drop the steam will become the water droplets. So this so the changing of steam into the changing of gas into liquid state is called the condensation. What? The changing of liquid state into gaseous state is called condensations. And now in this way, so different state of matter is solid, liquid, gas, and changing of one state to from solid to liquid is called melting, and liquid to solid is called freezing, and the change of gas from gaseous form to liquid form is condensations, and from liquid form to gaseous form is called the evaporations. Okay, now water dissolves in many substances. Perhaps it is very everybody you have the idea, and that what if I take a glass of water and pour 2-3 spoon of sugar, then if I stir it, then you will see the water that sugar already dissolve. Dissolve means it disappears. So you cannot find the sugar particles in the water. That means what? The water can dissolve the substance. Okay, and in this way, if you dissolve salt, then if you give salt and stir it, then salt also will disappear. Means the process of disappearing of the solid in the liquid is called dissolving. Okay, now what is called solute, solvent, and solutions. What are the three forms? Solute, solvent. So I am taking sugar, okay, and this is water, and this is sweet water. Sweet water. Now you can understand which is called solute. So in according to science, that if I take sugar, and according to science, this sugar is, will say the solid matter which disappear in liquid, so they are, and make a different one separate matter. So this one is called solution. So what is the sugar is solute? The solid matter which we take to dissolve is called solute, and in this case is sugar is a solute. And where I am dissolving in water. So in this case, the water is solvent, and after mixing sweet the sugar, we are getting sweet water. If I taste it, we get sweet water, and this is called solutions. So same in this way, you can take salt, and this is water, and here salty water. Okay, in this way we can dissolve salt also. So this one, so we can say the water can dissolve many things. In my next video, I'll explain soluble and insoluble substance. Okay, thank you.